Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I actually have a really exciting video because I'm going to be redecorating, well not completely redecorating my room, but doing a few bits and pieces. I'm going to try and transform my room as much as possible. Most of my walls at home are like blank at the minute because I used to be like crazy and have lots of like JLS posters everywhere and just be a cringy little teenager. But now I've decided to have a bit of a change. Obviously I'm at uni at the minute, but as soon as I come back from uni I want my room to feel like really homely and just like nice and comfortable to work in and stuff. So I have decided to team up with Desenio, which is so exciting. They allowed me to pick out some prints from their website. I've absolutely loved this brand for ages, but I have never bought anything just because I just haven't got around to it and haven't got the time. So it's really nice that I'm able to do this and I'm very thankful. So this is how big the parcel is. I'm going to get my boyfriend to film. We've got all the dog's toys out and about everywhere, but I thought this room would be the best to film in. So would you be able to film how big this parcel is in comparison to my body? I can get my tripod if you don't want to hold it.
Turn it around.
It's literally massive, so I'm just going to open all of these up and show you the different prints, and then I'm going to show you the process. Oh, little puppy. This is my little puppy Barney. I'm going to show you the process of us like putting them up and deciding. Oh, he seems to be enjoying the box. No. Naughty Barney. Naughty. And yeah, I'm going to be showing the process of me like decorating my room, and my dad will probably help putting the prints up because he's good at that sort of thing. So, just to make sure that he doesn't quite. I'm ripping my fingers off here. Should really be getting some scissors. Yeah, I need scissors. What, Charlotte?
Sure.
Hmm? Charlotte needs to use one for Aiden then.
Careful.
Oh, these are not great for Barney, are they? What's better? You don't like Desenio? Oh, he's very sceptical. Barney! Don't be silly. Just wanted to say that it's obviously packed nicely, like nothing is broken from what I can see so far. Which is fab, and I've literally got all my frames in here as well. I decided to buy my frames from Desenio because they have like very specific sizing and stuff, so I thought I might as well grab the frames as well that go with all of them. 8 by 12 inches here, then we've got a 5 by 7 inches. We've got, I think this is the biggest size that I decided to go for, which is the 12 by 16.
Are there prints in there?
Okay, so I decided to get like different sized frames like this so that I could like make them all abstract and stuff against the wall. Just I thought it would be a bit different than having them all laid out in the same way and stuff. I just feel like that's a little bit more like my style. I really like the big ones. I only got a couple of the big ones just to like place like one either side. You'll see when I decide to like put them all out soon, but I just thought this was a bit more me. And you can also find a lot more inspiration on the Desenio website. There's actually like a whole wall art inspiration page where you can see lots of different bits and pieces and get a like feel of what you sort of want to achieve. Like you could even copy like a complete wall design if you wanted to. But yeah, these are all my frames. Like I've literally got tons in here. And the most exciting part are the prints. I'm going to pop these out so you guys can see.
It's a good way to package them actually. It's a good way to package them.
Yeah, it's really good.
Don't get damaged them.
Yeah. They're all in here. It says that there is art inside. Yeah, definitely also follow them on Instagram. I'll leave all of the links to all of the prints I decide to get down below, as well as a discount code which I'm going to pop on the screen. I think it includes everything apart from personalised prints, and there are some other bits and pieces, but I'll put all of the like regulations for the code on the screen. But you can actually get 25% off, which I think is so sick. Like I'm going to use my code to buy more, like I'm not even lying, and like Hattie's already really excited like to use my code to buy some more because it's actually really affordable if you're, say you're moving out soon or you want to decorate your uni room, and I don't know, I just think it's a very versatile website. You can. So I've decided to get a lot of prints, like I said, in different sizes. This one is really pretty, yeah, free the nip, you know. This cute little girl, I just thought it was very just, I don't know, different. I've decided to get these like pink bubbles to go with some of the other colours that I've chosen. It might look a bit weird now, but I feel like you'll see where I was going when I put it all together on the wall. I thought this was a very me posted to get. I got this cool like feminism print, and it has sort of like a lipstick smudge like underneath, and I thought that was cool. Again, that'll bring out the pink of the bubble sort of print that I just showed you. And I sort of went for like pink, monochrome and green as the like vibe. So yeah, that's the next one. Then I have this Prada print, which I absolutely adore. This is actually for Megan. Megan picked out one for herself, and I just really like it. I think it's quite cool.
What do they feel like? Can I hear that?
So like thick. But yeah, they're good quality. Like there's no like blurriness. Do you know what I mean? It's all very high quality prints. Then I decided to get this one because I'm obsessed with fashion. I also got a mix of like landscape and portrait photos as well to again like mix it up and have it all like varied on the wall, which I thought was cool. I got this, which brings out the green. So this little leaf print here, it's got grey on the background, and it sort of ties in again with something in a minute. And then I've got green. I just like greenery, and I think it will look really cool on the wall and very sophisticated and more me and like more like an adult, you know, rather than my old sort of style room. This is Hattie's. I let Hattie pick out a photo as well because I thought, why not? And she chose a feather because it's like very, it has like a lot of sentiment with her family and stuff, which I thought was really cool. So yeah, Hattie picked out a little white feather. Then this is one of my these are like my favourite prints that I got. So I've got this curvy woman. I just thought it was a really cool print, one of the big ones that I decided to get. Then we've got some books that have, and then is this the final one? I thought I had one more. Oh yeah, I do. Then I have these huge leaf prints, which I think looks super cool, and they tie in with the other greenery that I showed earlier, and it also has the same grey background, so I thought that would go really nicely together.
Gradient.
And same with this one, it's got the same grey background, so I thought it would like complement the other photos. So yeah, I just like this. I like this sort of like abstract style. I think it's
what do you see?
bit different. I see a woman.
That's what I saw.
And you saw a mouse, didn't you, or something?
Yeah.
Or a dog or something.
It's a mouse, like.
Do you like it?
Sure, I don't see it as a woman. No.
Do you not? I see the woman with the ear and her going like.
No, I
this,
see
and
the
she's got a
woman.
body.
I see the woman, but my mind goes to the mouse.
Really? Okay, so I'm going to decide on how I'm going to put these on in the next couple of days, and then we'll get them up on the wall and you can see the final piece. I'm very excited. Right, so it's a new day now, and I'm just about to pop all of my Desenio prints inside the frames just to get them all prepped up, and then I'm fingers crossed hoping when my dad gets a free minute at some point before I go back for exams that he'll help me pop them on my wall and make sure they're all like level. He's got a spirit level, isn't he? Of course he does. My dad does like lots of like handy bits and pieces, so he has stuff like that, and we're going to pop them on my wall in my bedroom. I'm really excited to decorate, and I'm going to be like sorting my room out over summer as like a little mini project aside from like researching for my dissertation and stuff. I just sort of wanted something else to do as well apart from just like working 24/7. I feel like having my mind focused on something like that will really help me out in the summer. So yeah, this is the first part, so thank you very much to Desenio again for working with me on this. I'm really excited to get it all up. I've literally loved Desenio for ages, and I was actually planning on buying my own in summer, so it was like such a coincidence that they wanted to work with me, so yeah. You just tell us that you don't have your own print. So I have just finished putting all of the prints in the frames. I'm just gonna lay them out on the floor to see how I want to arrange them on my wall. Would you, whenever you've got a free time,
yeah,
would you be able to help me put these on my wall?
Yeah.
Okay, the sun's a bit weird, so you'll probably see this on my wall, but I feel like this is the layout I want to go for.
That's nice, but I better keep
Yeah.
an eye.
Right, so with the help of my dad, we've managed to put all of these up. You want to say hello?
Thank you.
Yeah, it looks so good. Absolutely love it.
I only charge £100 an hour. Anybody wants this done?
Right, so this is the first big start to my room. I think the next area I want to target is over here. Look at it right now. I've got a blooming Easter egg up here. Just loads of like receipts and all bits and bobs. Like literally have been treating this like a little dumping site since uni. That's the next area I think we're going to go for. So but anyway, I will leave all the information about Desenio down below. I cannot wait to actually decorate my own house in all of these prints when I fully move out. But I still even want to probably, I absolutely adore it like this, but I will probably go overboard and get tons more and more all around here. I just think they're so stunning. I'm going to do a bit of a close-up so you guys can see. So I've got the leaf print up here, then the feminism, then the large books with all of the fashion designers on, and then this beautiful curvy woman, little pink bubbles, big leaves, fashion, and this really abstract lady. I'm really feeling these, and I can't wait to give Megan and Hattie theirs as well. Yay, thank you Desenio. So at the minute I have half tidied up this area of my room. This is a different day, by the way. I just need to declutter my makeup, so I think in the next transformation video, I'm calling these transformations, they're not massive differences, but I just thought it would be fun to like document me tidying my room, decluttering my makeup, clothes, bits and pieces, maybe to inspire other people to donate things to like charity shops and recycle things and bits and pieces like that. Yeah, this is the next part I'm going to tackle, I think, in the next transformation video. I have lots of makeup here that I haven't took to uni because clearly I don't use it enough, or I just completely have forgotten about stuff. But yeah, I've got bits and pieces in here. It looks very sparse because most of my makeup is at uni, but I'm definitely going to declutter some of this stuff because it's definitely either out of date, I don't use it enough. I could give some to my friends, little cousin, and just anyone else who will use this and get some good use. So that's what's going to be in the next one, decluttering my entire desk, and I'll probably do my wardrobe, but it just depends how long it takes me to do this. Otherwise there might be like 2 separate videos. And then I've also got like really just loads of random stuff on here that I just definitely need to clear up. But yeah, I've got like dirty brushes that need a good wash, and just the whole surface needs a clear down. Then down here I sort of tidied it the other day, but I've lost the footage of me doing it. But I have sort of organised the baskets a lot more, but I will be redoing these again when I tackle this whole desk area, because it's still very cluttered and I don't want this much stuff down there, and I just don't really like the baskets or anything anymore. So yeah, thank you very much for watching my first transformation video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I cannot believe I've got a Desenio code, so make sure you go and use it. It is Charlotte Emily, and you can get 25% off the prints and frames, which is insane. All the details will be down below. You can get the majority of things. I think it's just personalised and hand-picked prints you can't. But yeah, I am very thankful. I absolutely love my wall now, and yeah, I will definitely be using my own discount code because I absolutely love the prints. Make sure to hit thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you very soon for another vlog. And let me know what else you want me to do for my transformation series that I'm going to be doing over summer. Like I said, this is going to be my little project, so I want to redo my room. I want to like paint all my wardrobes white and my chest of drawers white because I want my room to be like really like airy and light. Like I just don't really like that sort of wood, so that's what I'm going to be doing. And matching it all up because after all I'm going to be in this room for a lot of time after I finish uni, so I might as well start making it homely and nice and different to what I used to come home to after school, like I explained at the beginning of the video or in my other videos. Let me know if you want to see any other sort of decluttering of my room or whatever, and hopefully you guys get inspired to change it up too. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.